are, back again at INPHASE Audio with something new. It's a brand new Alpine iLX-W650. Came out today. We're gonna do an unboxing. Gonna show you guys what's in the box. After we're done, we're gonna do a walkthrough, show you how to use it. So let's open it up and see what we got. Right away, it's small. So a lot of these dashes in some of these newer cars, they're really limited by how deep the radio can be, and stuff just doesn't fit. Requires a ton of modifications. So because there's no disc, they can make it 3 inches deep. Let's see what features it has. Everything's on wired harnesses. Alpine's usually pretty good about that. Let's see what harnesses it comes with. All right, so looks like they got on harnesses all your subwoofer volume control, front, rear, pre-outs, and then, dual rear view, dual cameras, so you can do a front cam and a rear cam. That's pretty cool. Standard wiring harness, standard Alpine. Looks like it comes with a USB cable. You're gonna go USB out of the back of the unit to either a dash-mounted location or glove box, or we can come up with something cool. They even put a right angle on the USB cable for extra clearancing. It's pretty sweet. So, Bluetooth mic, of course. So that's about all that's in the box. I gotta say, I really like that short chassis. So we'll do an in-depth video on how to use it, what features it comes with here in just a second. Thanks.